the music, Ellie.
But you better not kill the girl.
Stop the music. Right, Ellie, coming up here a second. Right, tonight is Ellie Peters' birthday, bless her. She's 42 years age tonight, and we've got her a nice birthday cake. But what we did on the internet, we had a guess the age competition, and the person came back with Happy 50th. So I've gone and got on the cake, Happy 50th, Ellie. So we thought you hadn't had no cock for a while, so I got you a nice cock cake. So after 3, will you all join me and sing happy birthday to the lovely Ellie Peters? And it goes like this. Just before we start though, if anybody is Polish or Spanish, in Polish it's Happy Noche, Doctor Shikacha. And if you're Spanish, it's fuck back to Spain. And if you're Polish, what are you doing in this fucking country? So that's what happy birthday is, alright? Well, they take over all those fucking jobs, don't they? Right, and after 3, then we're going to go and we're going to sing happy birthday to the one and only Trollop, 50 years of age today. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you old fucker. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hey! Right, Ellie, let's see what you like at blowing.
Oh, you mean the candle?
Oh, yeah. After 3.
Never get me got around that one.
Well, that's like my blowups. Well, Ellie Peters, lovely Laura's made that beer up there. Laura up there, look, if anybody likes cakes or anything, Laura's made that there. In the middle of it is just a cardboard box though, because we couldn't afford the cake. So you can keep that for the next 10 years till you're 60. We have got the box for you to put it back into for you to take home tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to let Ellie just go put that behind the bar. If you get to those 3 musketeers there.